In part 2 of this video series, you will learn more details about accessing workers' compensation benefits. Brought to you by the Herrman and Herrman Injury Attorneys of Brownsville, Texas. In part 1 of this workers' compensation series, we covered the types of injuries that usually occur on the job. This video will cover reporting, benefits, and getting back to work. How to report your injury. Report your injury to your workplace within 30 days from the time you were injured, or from the date you discovered that your injury or illness symptoms were a result of your workplace accident. Send a completed DWC Form 41, also known as an employee's claim for compensation for a work-related injury or occupational disease, to the Texas Department of Insurance. So, what are the benefits of workers' compensation? In Texas, there are 4 types of workers' compensation benefits that you may be eligible to receive as an injured employee. 1. Income benefits. Income benefits are designed to replace a portion of the wages that you lose by being off work due to your workplace injury or illness. Some cover temporary disabilities, while others address long-term impairments. The types of income benefits include temporary income benefits, impairment income benefits, supplemental income benefits, and lifetime income benefits. 2. Medical benefits. Medical benefits pay for the medical care that you receive to treat your workplace injury or illness. 3. Burial benefits. If you are investigating workers' compensation because your loved one passed away due to a workplace injury, burial benefits can compensate you for some funeral expenses. 4. Death benefits. Death benefits help families cope with direct financial strain by replacing some of the income lost due to the death of a loved one. And then there is a process for getting back to work. If you are receiving workers' compensation benefits, don't return to work until your doctor says you have recovered enough to return to work safely. Even if you don't feel 100% ready to return to work, you must return when your doctor approves you. Keeping all doctor's appointments and obeying the doctor's orders will help you preserve your workers' compensation rights. The doctor will monitor your recovery and decide if you should remain completely off work or return to work with some restrictions or return to work in full capacity. Pay close attention and follow your doctor's orders exactly. You will be rated as having temporary total disability, temporary partial disability, permanent total disability, or permanent partial disability. Your rating will help determine your timeline for returning to work and to what degree you're able to work. When you return to work, make sure your workers' compensation representative and your employer both have copies of your work restriction notes. Don't try to go above and beyond what the doctor says you're able to do safely. Doing so can put your eligibility for compensation in jeopardy. Navigating workers' compensation laws can be a complicated task, especially while you are hurt and trying to recover. If you've been injured and need legal help, please call the Herrman and Herrman Law Firm at 844-426-6000.